Ever wonder why your phone backs up photos, your team shares docs, startups launch apps in days? That's cloud computing, but the cloud isn't one thing, it's a few flavors that solve different problems. Quick test: if your app suddenly gets 10x users tomorrow, what breaks first? If the answer is, my servers, you're thinking like on-prem. In the cloud, you rent what you need, when you need it. Let's define the service models first. IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. IaaS, infrastructure as a service, virtual machines, storage, networks. Think of IaaS like renting an empty apartment. You bring the furniture, decide the layout, and fix what you break. You get maximum control, and with great power come patching, monitoring, scaling, rules, and security groups. PaaS, platform as a service, moves up a level. You bring your code. The provider handles servers, runtime, scaling, and often databases. It's like a furnished apartment. Faster to move in, fewer headaches, but you accept some rules. The provided runtime, deployment methods, and limits. SaaS, software as a service, is a finished product you just log into. Email, CRM, project tools. It's a hotel room. Optimized, convenient, no maintenance, but you can't knock down walls. Now deployment models: public, private, hybrid, and multi-cloud. Public cloud is the big provider's shared infrastructure. Pay-as-you-go, global, scalable. Private cloud is dedicated to one organization, more control, more compliance, more responsibility. Hybrid mixes on-prem or private with public. Keep sensitive data close, burst to the cloud, for spikes. Multi-cloud uses more than one public provider. Avoid lock-in, pick best-in-class, add resilience, but expect extra complexity. Compare time. If you're a startup, PaaS on public cloud gets you shipping fast. Use managed databases, serverless functions, auto-scaling. Control is less important than speed. If you're an enterprise with strict compliance, private or hybrid. Keep regulated workloads on-prem or private. Offload web front ends and analytics to public. If you're a data-heavy team, IaaS or PaaS with managed big data services, you'll want fine-tuned networking and storage tiers. PaaS cuts ops so you focus on pipelines. If you're a small business, lean on SaaS first. Email, finance, HR, CRM. Add PaaS or IaaS only when you need custom logic. Cost lens. SaaS is predictable per user. PaaS saves ops time. IaaS can be cheapest at scale, but only if you automate scaling, turn things off, and right size. Risk lens. SaaS lock-in at features, PaaS at runtime, IaaS at images and tooling. Multi-cloud reduces lock-in but increases operational complexity. Rule of thumb: start as high up the stack as you can. SaaS, then PaaS, then IaaS, unless control or compliance forces you down.